Hello traders, welcome back to another video of Trade with Vbros. Today is day 6 of $70 to $1,000 challenge only through copy trading. Last week gold was in uptrend and now it is consolidating. We closed last week at a profit of minus 2.96. Actually that's the loss, $2.96. Currently we are at an profit and loss of $10.59 with an equity of $80.54. Our current balance is $94.29. If you look at the history, we have a lot of orders being opened and closed. So if you check at the current status, we are at a realized return, unrealized return of 15.41% and a profit of $10.79. For those who want to join copy trading, the links are available in the description. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.